Hey guys, Woods Farm here. I'm just doing a little quick project on my daughter's Kia Rondo, and I'm going to show you one of the problems I've encountered with this car recently. So this is a 2009 Kia Rondo, and it's got the 4-cylinder in it. My daughter bought this car, I don't know, 4 or 5 years ago. Around the farm, we do a lot of the work on our vehicles ourselves, and I did some brake work on it a little while ago, and I noticed a problem with one of the rear brake lines. So you can see this flex hose, it has a really nasty bulge here, and it's not supposed to be like that. So we're going to change it out. Just preemptively, I don't want it to burst while she's driving it and have her all of a sudden lose braking power. But that's not really the problem. This is a pretty straightforward and easy job for anybody to do. The issue is, now that's the problem right there. This part was not available in Canada. I had to special order this out of the States from some discount parts warehouse that only had a couple in stock. And I had no end of difficulties trying to track this thing down. Of course, I went to Napa and a couple other local parts sources, and Napa flat out told me, yeah, we can't get that. And I thought, well, that's strange. It's a pretty basic brake part. It's nothing special, run-of-the-mill brake line, flex hose. Why can't Napa get that part? And they're like, well, it's a dealer part, call the dealer. So I called Kia, and this is where I really had cause for concern. Kia's like, yeah, we have none in stock across Canada right now, and there's 10 coming in stock in a couple of weeks. They're on back order, and I'm like, I was really taken aback by that. And the parts guy at the Kia dealership, he was like, yeah, those Rondos are a real problem. He mentioned something about them only being made for certain markets or only sold in Canada. And he mentioned that there's a bunch of parts on this vehicle that are pretty much dried up and are almost impossible to get. So if you're trying to maintain an old car and keep it on the road, and I don't consider a 2009 to be that old of a vehicle, if you can't get parts and really simple basic parts for it, you're going to be in trouble. So I'm just going to make this quick little video and mention the fact that that might be something you want to look into or consider if you're looking at buying a used Kia Rondo. I don't know what the model years are that the 2009 falls within, but you can look that up. And I mean, maybe if you're doing research on YouTube, this video will pop up, and you'll give a second thought to getting a Kia Rondo, because I'm really concerned as this vehicle ages, we're not going to be able to get parts. For instance, the front struts need to be done, and same thing, I'm able to find the parts online, but they don't really seem to jump out and be available. So something to consider if you're looking at Kia Rondos. Anyways, hope this video helped you, and if you want to see more videos from the Woods Farm, definitely like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.